everyone!
Hi, guys.
We are here today at the site of one of our residential projects for Moss Design House. It's styling day today.
Oh no, yung mga ganti-ganti, please. Okay?
But it's really one of my favorite faces in the project.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So come join us as we style this home. I'm Cindy, Mrs. B.
I'm Mado, Mr. B.
And you're watching Mr. and Mrs. B of Moss Design House.
Woo!
Okay, so we've been working on this project for about a year now. And it's a 1,000 square meter residential project that has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, kitchen, dining, a bar.
Man cave. Buti pa si Sir may man cave.
Nagpaparinig ka?
Hindi.
It has an office. It has a powder room, a kids area,
Gym
a gym, a salon,
and basketball court.
and a basketball
Then,
court.
pinaka-ano pa yung walk-in closet na may loft.
Yep, it has a 2-level walk-in closet inside the master's bedroom. Actually, the theme of this house is contemporary luxe. It feels like, you know, kind of like a hotel space, the way we did the interiors of this. The couple, or the owners, are in fan of dark colors. They like streamlines. You know, kind of like a masculine tone, but little bit of femininity here and there through the colors of gold, some metallic pieces, mirrors, tufting. So what are we styling today? Hinawakan ko talaga yung chan mo. Gusto mo yun?
Machad. Okay, the kitchen, the bar, the living room, the master's bedroom, kids room, bathroom. Ano pa?
Most of the rooms, siguro mga 70% of the house are probably styling today. But major kasi is that we have to fix and finalize the lighting and the accent ceiling before we are able to finalize the layout of the living area. So yeah, we're here to actually style the space already because they're moving in 2 days and they're gonna have a housewarming as well. Okay, so we're installing this really nice accent light that we ordered from Illuminati in this double height living area. Kasi we want to make sure that it's gonna be a good focal point. So what we did was, we marked the ceiling, basically that recessed ceiling on the floor, just to make sure that we plot everything here first before they bring it up.
Tama yan sa yung marking and plotting. Very important yan para madali natin makita kung saan iakyat yung mga ilaw.
Oo. There was markings here, and then we kind of like repositioned everything first.
Nag-mock-up ka kanina.
Nag-mock-up muna ako kanina. And then, apart from that, whenever you plot lights, you have to be also very mindful of your furniture layout. So, sometimes we do markings of the furniture, sometimes the actual furniture is already here. But kanina, what we did was, I had the CAD file and then we were kind of like plotting it in the CAD first. If this mock-up is going to be okay with the furniture layout. Parang we just want to make sure there's no conflict. Kasi most often, nakikita ko, na-install na yung chandelier, hindi pala siya center nung...
Hindi siya swak dun sa area.
Hindi siya swak dun sa furniture layout. So that's kind of like a common mistake that we see. So we're trying to avoid that. So the way to be able to avoid that is to make sure that you have your plotting of your furniture prior to installing your chandeliers. So the man of the house likes to drink. That's the reason why they have a bar. And I was so excited when they said, okay, this is the first area to style. Because, you know, I have a gin collection and I can relate. They have limited bottles, but I'm sure they're bringing in more. How am I styling this? I'll probably do this. Champagnes go there. It's all whiskey. All Johnny Walkers together na lang. And then I'll go the gold. And the other one. So one of the tips when styling a small powder room is to add a nice expansive mirror. Not expensive, expansive, meaning to say it's big. It automatically makes the powder room look bigger. But on the countertop, my essentials is a tray, hand-rolled towels that are usually stacked pyramid style, scent or diffuser, and hand-wash lotion that's all inside a nice tray. I want to always add blooms, which is my favorite. It's Phalaenopsis, but you can always opt to have other greens. Tips on how to make a boring hallway come to life is through dramatic lighting. In our previous projects, we've done wall sconces on left and right, but for this one, we decided to do a mirror image of the cove lighting above
To the
floor to create good perspective. But don't get too intimidated because those are readily available na, diba? So you can just check on the link below on the suppliers for that. But apart from that, all our plans for this one is that we're gonna create a nice curated gallery of the family on both walls. This little vignette on the entryway. So we have something on the console table. So what I wanted to create is to have this height. These are called curly willows and they're real branches, but they're imported somewhere, I don't know, maybe Holland, I have no idea. But yep, I wanted to create some height here, which I'm using branches because it's low maintenance. Even if it gets dried up, it still looks very pretty. Because these branches go really tall and the vase is fairly small and low. But it's a modern arrangement, so I think it's okay. But just be very conscious about the scale and proportion of the vase and the plaque. But I think this looks good. Hey guys, just as an update, it's already 8 o'clock and we are having trouble with the lighting fixture because the supplier has issues on the parts. But we're making do because we want to make sure we really get the finish today. Yung asawa ko, nasaan? Ayun. He's being carpentero today. He's being carpentero because everybody else left already and we don't have a choice but to do it. He doesn't have a choice but to do it.
Yeah, pero
Pawis na pawis ka na.
I love that.
Kadiri.
Pupunasan ka.
Kadiri ka. We're super determined that we have to finish today by hook or by crook because wala namang choice. Because, you know, they're gonna move in already. So after this, once we install it, the furniture comes in and we're done. Bye! This is nerve-wracking. One move, one wrong move, and the glasses will break.
So finally, we're done.
I know. I thought you weren't gonna make it, but
Alright.
it's done.
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
My favorite you. Ikaw naman, di ba?
God, you're so funny.
Hindi. I like this wall na
Yeah.
treatment. And the kitchen.
Me,
Yeah.
the bar, and the chandelier. That's so nice.
Nice one.
There you have it. Thank you for joining us in this episode where we styled one of our residential projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm Cindy, Mrs. B.
I'm Mado, Mr. B.
And you're watching Mr. and Mrs. B of Moss Design House.
Woo!